Hey, good morning, Patrick. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I received your inquiry in this morning on this 2006 Nissan Frontier, and I thought I'd come out and just shoot you a quick video of it. It is still here. It is still available. Clearly, you're looking at it right now. But it's a 2006. It only has 16,000 miles on it. I know you may have thought that might have been an error or something, but no, it really does only have 16,000 miles. It is an access cab Frontier, okay, so meaning it has like a suicide door for the back. You do have little jump seats here in the rear, so you can have people back here, and underneath here is a storage compartment too, so you can lift this right up. And there are little storage compartments as well if you need it for storage. But it is a really nice, clean Frontier. Obviously, they didn't drive it very much, only 16K on the odometer. But we are listing it right now. Our pricing, it was $13,998. It did just have a new AC installed in it, which we did here. So our retail price was $13,998. Right now we're selling it for $9,998. So you're getting a really great deal on it. Give me a call if you'd like to stop in and take a look at the vehicle. I'd be happy to show it to you. My number is 321-254-8888 and my extension is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.